Euro Swiss, okay. So it's got this zone here that it did respect and is still respecting. I do like the Swiss pairs. I think they trade phenomenally. I think they're very consistent. So it's got this nice zone here, which I really like, and it's going back into it. And I would actually consider a trade. As it's in the zone, I would consider a trade, but it would have to, because it did create this little support area and now did a bullish engulfing candle. I'm a little hesitant, but I would wait for lower highs and lower lows, which there's a chance it's already printed on the 4 hour. You can see price came down, big bearish engulfing candle out of this zone, which is perfect. And then you can see it came down. Now it's coming back up. So we'll see, like, if this is the new high. If price starts going like this, then probably good to enter. And if you look on the smaller time frames, the 1 hour price is above, so I would wait for this to come down. If it crosses over the 1 hour moving average, I'd say you're good to go for sure. So you may just want to wait a little bit longer for Euro Swiss, but then I think, yeah, this is a great short down to the 94 level. I think we'll just keep shorting these Swiss pairs until they tell us otherwise. They move very consistent. This is kind of, I believe this might be like an all-time low down here. Yeah, price has never been this low before, so you're basically targeting the very bottom of this wick, just about. So yeah, I mean, anytime you're looking at areas where price has never really been, I mean, I guess it was here back in September 22, but it hasn't really been below this. So I mean, odds are price comes into this zone, possibly through it, but then comes back. So I do think this is a very good trade. If you look actually on this weekly, how this weekly candle closed, this is huge. So you got a nice bear candle right here, and then last week was a pullback candle. So much smaller candle, wick into this zone and pull back. So this tells us a lot. This tells us it most likely wants to head down lower, which is good. I would target this 94 level. That's just the monthly range. It's about 250 pips. I think you're good for that. But I mean, as soon as it gets deep into this area, I would look for it to start getting bought up and start retracing, because this is such a significant area where price has been before. But I mean, and if it breaks this area, then you're probably going to go for quite some more, but that would probably be a next month kind of thing. So that is Euro Swiss. I do think it's a good short now. I think it's a good short at about 96.15. If it comes back into the zone a little bit, set your stop, above all these wicks kind of thing, and you're laughing. Should be pretty good to go. Wait for some, if you wanted to, wait for some lower lows, lower highs, just for a little bit more confirmation. Like I said, just wait for price to cross over this 1 hour moving average. Maybe just set an alert, and then as soon as it crosses over that 1 hour moving average, you're good to enter. So that's Euro Swiss.